हर चीज़ की दो पहलू होते हैं, नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव। शुरुआत और अंत, पावर में भी नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव होती है। और आज जो देश की हालात है और उस परिप्रेक्ष्य में भी दो समूह, एक सत्ता पक्ष एक विपक्ष रहता है। और वर्तमान सरकार के द्वारा जो देश में हालात बनाई गई है, उसी को लेकर आज ये एक बैठक है, उस पर डिस्कशन है।
This is a meeting for country's stability. The uniting, we have already named this as an united we stand. We should have a unity in this entire country. The country is facing a lot of hurdles, roadblocks, so the entire country has to be united. There is a different voice. The opposition has been suppressed. It is for the safety of the country, we all have to stand united. Today, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Sonia ji and Rahul ji in Bangalore, in this garden city, we have arranged this, all the leaders of the opposition have joined together. I have already said on record, joining together is the beginning. Today, thinking together will be the progress, and working together will be the success. We stand united, we will work united. We want 2024 to be free from the hatred politics of this country. You know that the BJP, the NDA is misusing all its machinery as a political tool. So we want to face them. They are using all possible steps to weaken the opposition parties or the regional parties at the national level and the state level. So we want a growth, we want the UPA type of government, which a more secular image to be restored back for the safety of this country.